Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to use a new tool called Cami. You will want to start by going to the assignment named I Can Use Cami, which will be located in your Social Studies Canvas page. Once you're in the assignment, press the Load button to open Cami. To make an account, you're going to sign in through Google, which will then ask you to agree to several different things. Once you have agreed to everything, the actual assignment will pop up in Cami. And I have already made my account, so that's why mine went straight to the assignment. So first, what we're going to be doing is using a text box to answer a question. So what you're going to do is press the T on the left-hand side, and then you're going to press your cursor down and a box will appear, and then you can drag out on the right corner to match your lines. And then if your font is too big, you can change it to a smaller font to match your lines. Oh, box is great. And then you can type whatever, and then you can change the colors of the words if you would like. And yeah, and then next is the comment tool, which is again on the left-hand side, right above the text box, the little message guy. And what you can do is you press on the left-hand side of the margin and a little bubble pops up. And then on the side, on the right-hand side, you can type your message. And then you can also change the color for that too. Like you can do a little green one and then it pops up on the right-hand side. And then you can type there. And then next is the markup tool to highlight, which is the highlighter looking one, again, on the left-hand side. And there's two different options. You can use the text highlighter, which is more for like small phrases or just words to highlight. And then you can use the box highlighter, which is underneath it, to highlight bigger things easier, like whole paragraphs. And you can also, once again, change the color of the highlight. And then lastly is the drawing tool, which if you have a tablet or like a touchscreen computer, you can use your finger to draw, but if not, you can just use your cursor and draw pictures. And then you can also use your eraser to erase anything you want, including the stuff above. And then once you're done your assignment, you go up to the right-hand corner to where it says submit, and then you press the blue button that says submit, and then you're done. As you can see, Cami is a really cool learning tool, and thank you for listening.